Where else can you find views like this in Sedona? Welcome to 134 Fay Canyon Road.
Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no let's let go. Take me home, I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no love like our love. I want everything you are, all your beauty, all your scars, tethered up inside of us. It's only light, it's only love. Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no love, let's let go. Take me home, I'm holding on.
Living here, your maximum stress level will be tied to your golf score. For a closer look, give me a call. I'm Victoria Wylde with Sedona Luxury Homes.
Love like our love.